Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to calculate range, variance and standard deviation using Microsoft Excel. These are super useful statistics in the data and enter your data in a column. I am typing the numbers 12, 15, 18, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. You can label this column called data. Okay, let's calculate the range, which is simply the maximum value minus the minimum value, is equal to maximum, max, type max, then select range, minus minimum, select range and press enter. You will get the range of this data. In this example, the highest number is 50 and the lowest number is 12. So the 50 minus 12 is 38. So the range is 38. Next is the variance. Excel has two functions for this: variance.p for population variance and the variance dot S for sample variance. So let's calculate the variance for the population. Is equal to type var.p, then select from the list and double click on it, then select the range and close the bracket, make it enter. So this is the variance of this data. Lastly, let's calculate the standard deviation, which is the square root of the variance. Excel makes this super easy. Then type stdev.p, standard deviation for population, double click on it from the list, then select the range and close the bracket and enter. So we have here our standard deviation. So here we calculated range is equal to 38, variance is equal to 155.8 and standard deviation is 12.48. Okay, thank you very much.